Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Mr. Tfue channel analytics. Mr. Tfue has uploaded 15 videos. He now has 5.07 million subscribers with a total view of 751,717,113 views. He's from US. And his channel type is People. He created his channel since January 20, 2018. The grade he got is A-, and his Social Blade ranking is at 2,456th. The subscriber ranking is 2,700th and then video view rank is 8,071st. He ranked at 852nd in US and 237th in People. Next, the daily subs for Mr. Tfue is around 10.6k with a daily view of 2,197,891. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 2,200,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $8,800. Then, monthly income will be $264,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $145,200 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $1,742,400. That is how much Mr. Tfue earns from YouTube.